What's up, guys? It's me, the Crazy Edge Gamer. Today we're gonna be playing a game called Build a Boat to Survive. I mean, I only want to do it because it's looking like we go crazy. This is sus. Why am I supposed to... We go... What is this? Huh? Oh, I can't claim it yet. I know why, but I don't care about any of that. Well, yeah. Okay, so I don't even care. What is it asking? I have no idea. Okay, I don't. How much gold do I have? Gold, okay. Let's see, wood block. It seems to be obvious you trash that. Can't use it. Corner block? Nah, that one. Trash that. Yeah. We'll need seats. Yeah. Still. Trash this. I'm not done. The boat. I'm not gonna launch it that fast. No, trash. I need to build this. Oh God, no, I don't have enough. Well, no. Yeah, this seems to be boring. Let's go. Launch boat. Okay, so where are we going? Yo, man, we're going here. Where this place? Okay. I have no idea yet what we're doing, but it's weird. No. I can't do that. Oh God. No. Shoot, man, that was not good. So, how much gold do I even have? 125 gold, nice. So now can I just go building this? Okay, guys, I know what to do. Okay, 18 now. Now I think I know what to do. Just yeah, then we need the seats. Okay, good. Nope. No. Trash this. We need one more seat here. Oh no, I can't do it then. Trash it. Okay. Launch boat. So no leaving boat, that's for sure. Now I think this is tanky enough. I'm right now first place. Oh, whoa, wow. I'm trying to know. I got 25 gold. Nice. Bob. Oh, those things are thick. Thumbs up to your game. Why? Oh, no! We've lost it. I want to go here. No! We've hit that. Oh, God, what? Oh, we lost some things. I hope our boat is good enough. Look, I'm first place in the game. They are not. Oh, God. School, that's where I'm going to die now. Guys, this is where I'm dying. Goodbye. Kidding, I'm not going to die by some stupid utensils. Though I'm losing a lot by them. Oh, no. I'm pretty sure I'm going to barely make it now. Yep, I'm going to end if it dares to. Oh, God. It's so close for us. We earn another. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no. Oh no. What the My God, no. I am. Now I don't need a boat. I can just go on foot. So I'm gonna lose some health if I even try it. A lot. I mean, I'm ahead of everyone. I'm pretty sure this is farther than any of them. So let's go. I'll need to try to get. Okay, let's see. Jump. Okay, let's go. 3, 2. What the? Why can't I go here? What? I can't go now? What is happening? Oh God. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh no. Didn't make it. Well, it was my best. I passed 4 zones. Nice. Okay, let's go. How much do I have now? Ooh, how much? Oh, 3, 2, 5. That's good. Finally, I can make a good boat now. I must need a tougher. Ooh, I need a boat control. That's okay. So let's see. Killer spikes. Oh, turret. Oh, that's very good. Toilet. I'm not sure if I even need a toilet. What's the best? A sign. Omega turns. That's a lot. Though I still think I'll use normal material. I'm not even that good. Oh no, my bad. My bad. Nope, I'm not letting you. What? Okay, what? I do not need them. Now, what? Okay, so guys, I literally have no idea how to control this. It is very hard. I need carpet. Yeah. Nice. Now, I'ma just do my thing. I do not need that. No, my bad. I didn't mean these two either. So, now I'm losing a lot of gold. So I'd better finish it faster. Now I just need a bit more. Okay, yeah, it's obvious I need a seat. And now a control of boat. Boat control, yeah. Better. No, I need to do something. My bad, guys. I just boat Oh no, my bad. I didn't mean to do the boat control. Now let's see. Floater? Nah, I don't need. Turret. I'm not so. Oh god, what? What is the turn to need? Nah, I don't want. So let's see, what else should we use? VIP for killer spikes? No, that's not nice. Though I don't think I need the thumbs up things. Oh, I could use a ladder. So, how can I? Okay, yeah. Climbing it. Then we'll have. Okay, 2, 3, 3. Carpet. Okay, my bad. Can't use the carpet there. Okay, let's see. We do it here, and then. Oh well. Nope. I need all the resources I can get. So let's see. Yeah. Now. Let's see how much I. 193. Nice. Still good enough. Okay. Yeah. So it's an emergency. If I need to survive, if they can stay. So this will be the longest surviving boat I'm pretty sure we'll ever create. Though I'll need this and a seat. And then we'll use a carpet. Though we also can't use the carpet yet, since we actually need boat control. What? I'm not meaning it here. What? Control and no. What? What? Oh, now. And now we just trash this. Okay, we good. Launch boat. I'm not. Oh no! What? That's. I'm not supposed to. Yes. What? Oh, finally good. So once I've lost a lot of this, I'm going here. It's a much stronger one, and it's flying. So, yeah. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna do the longest surviving, that's for sure. They'd be like, well, what? I mean, a boat made out of carpet. Seems like, what? We've already lost a lot. No. What are we gonna lose next? Let's see. So, I'm right now first place, strongest. Oh no, that's a lot of losing things. Oh, what? Okay, yeah. I'm pretty sure this has to sit. I'm thinking, oh god, I'll have to sit. What the fuck? No, sit. What the fuck? I am not understanding. How did this go wrong? I spent so much. Oh god, why? Oh god, sit. Oh, frick! That was close. 75, I'm pretty sure. 75, yep. Now I know what I need. I need a stronger surviving skill. Yeah, boy, need that. Okay, so let's go. I need to think. What would do good? Spinner? Ooh, 55%. Spinner. Team. So guys, let's see if I'm going to launch. Guys,